Pakistan's feudal class will undermine the power and domination of landlords, and it will be prepared to make Pakistan agriculture production more efficient, creating trans-traditional non-existent absenteeism in modern efficient agribusinesses. It is issued two major land reform laws: the Land Reform Regulation 1972, Martial Law Regulation MLR 115, which was implemented by Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto to roof the agricultural holding of the Pakistan's major landowners was designed. The state had to occupy more than 150 acres of rooftop land free of cost and distribute it to the landless. If the land was unorganized, the roof was raised to 300 acres. Exception was also approved for tractor or installed tube wells. Another section of sections MLR 115 section 25 gave existing tenants the first right to refill the rights to refuse before buying. In 1977, another the Bill Land Reform Act 1977 reduced the roof to 100 acres, though the act provided compensation to the landlords. Analysts agree that the implementation of ground reforms under Ali Bhutto has resulted in much to be desired in the NWFP and Balochistan, where the opposition was center of Bhutto compared to the provinces where their power was based. Sindh and Punjab, many of it the great feudal lords in the Pakistan, mobilized against the reforms which they directly challenged for their long-term interest in maintaining political control in the rural areas of Pakistan. Land reforms were attacked as unfair management instead of unnatural in nature. After the overthrow of the Ali Bhutto's government, landlords reform victims appealed to the Islamic courts established by Bhutto's successor General Ziaul Haq, the Shariat Appellate Bench and the Federal Sharia Court, and this the Pakistani administration arise instead of the legislature. Most of the Ali Bhutto's distribution, according to the scholar Charles H. Kennedy, courts effectively implemented land reforms, cancelled those reforms, promulgated new legislation, and then interpreted the meaning of the new laws. In 1979, 3-2 decisions by the Shariat Appellate Bench ruled against establishing the boundaries of the lands as a Land reforms had done, on the basis that wealth or land is necessary for the elimination of Islam. Distribution is not banned as such. Poverty, however, is admirable for the purpose of getting rid of poverty. The net result of the Sharia appeal bench decision is that the land reforms in Pakistan are now at the same level as they were in 1947, as their 1972 provision and their enactments in the 1977 Act have been abolished and 1959 rules have been repealed. A book published by Cornell University in 1988 opposes agricultural reforms in Pakistan and argues that this will help the country population remain stable.